Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious green beans in an air fryer. First, gather your fresh green beans. About 1 pound is perfect. Wash them thoroughly and trim off the ends. Next, in a medium bowl, toss the cleaned beans with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This helps them crisp up beautifully. Then, season them generously with about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, plus salt and pepper to your liking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic side dish. Now it's time to get those beans into the air fryer. Carefully arrange your seasoned green beans in a single layer within the air fryer basket. It's really important not to overcrowd the basket, as this ensures even cooking and that desirable crispiness. If you have a larger batch, simply cook them in 2 or more batches. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for an initial 8 minutes. This first cook starts the tenderizing process. After the initial 8 minutes, it's time for a quick check and a shake. Open your air fryer and give the basket a good shake to redistribute the green beans. This helps them cook evenly on all sides. Close the air fryer and continue cooking for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them during this final stage. You're looking for green beans that are tender crisp with a slight char, indicating they are perfectly cooked and full of flavor. Once your air-fried green beans are perfectly tender crisp and slightly charred, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. They will be hot, so use tongs or a spatula. For an extra burst of freshness, you can garnish them with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. A sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese also adds a wonderful savory touch. Serve these delicious and healthy green beans immediately as a fantastic side dish that everyone will love. Enjoy your perfectly air-fried creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.